something sunny just for me. Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word,
that will make me happy, little orange bird. He thinks beautiful orange pictures and beautiful orange words, though his little beak can't even peep a squeak. All the thoughts he ever spoke appear in orange smoke. That's what makes the orange bird unique. Little orange bird,
little orange bird,
in the sunshine tree,
in the sunshine tree.
won't you think of something sunny just for me? Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word,
that will make me happy, little orange bird. When you're just about green with envy, or gonna be feeling blue, you can use a little orange thought or two. When you start in blushing pink, or your temper turns you red, that's when the orange bird can see you through. Little orange bird,
little orange bird,
in the sunshine tree,
in the sunshine tree.
won't you think of something sunny just for me? Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word,
that will make me happy, little orange bird. With his beautiful orange feathers and beautiful leafy wings, he's a fluffy little puppy sight to see. He can turn your frowns around when you see him looking down, the orange bird up in the sunshine tree. Little orange bird,
little orange bird,
in the sunshine tree,
in the sunshine tree.
won't you think of something sunny just for me? Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word,
that will make me happy, little orange bird.
little orange bird,
Little orange bird,
in the sunshine tree.
sunshine tree, won't you think of something sunny just for me? Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word,
that will make me happy, little orange bird.
little orange bird,
Little orange bird,
in the sunshine tree.
won't you think of something sunny just for me? Orange tree, with your fragrant branches blossoming. Orange tree, what a miracle you are. Poetry cannot trace your graceful mystery. Orange tree, are you more than what I see? Are you some enchanted princess from the past, waiting for a spell to be uncast? Are you telling me just what this world could be if I could live in sweet serenity? Orange tree, is it just my wishful fantasy? telling me there is something more to you. Orange tree, though I know you'll never answer me,